I want to use Microsoft Access to illustrate the process of creating a small, simple database. Move the mouse pointer to the Start button, click, All Programs, click, Microsoft Office, click, Access, click. We are now inside of Microsoft Access. Notice there's quite a few blueprints or templates for different types of databases. The most common is the blank database because it has no structure and we can build just about anything we want from it. Click on the blank database. Now over here to the far right, you now have the default database name, Database 1. Now, we can change the name right now, or we can leave it alone and change it later. But Database 1 does not exist on the hard drive until we press or click on the Create button. Click. Now, up here on the title bar, you now see Database 1, the name of the database, and the version of Access. Now, down here, you see Table 1. This is the smallest version of an Access database that you can have. All databases in Access must have at least one table. Now, the ID field we'll talk about later, but it is the primary key. Now, to save this table, move the mouse, left-click to select the tab, right-click, Save. Now, this is our first opportunity to change the name. We'll leave it alone for now. We now have Table 1. Left-click, right-click, close. And over here under Tables, we can left-click, right-click, open it, back again, left-click, right-click, close, left-click, or rather double-click, open it, left-click, right-click, close. Now, all tables and other objects must be closed in Access before you can save the entire database. So File, Save Database As. This is the only option that allows you to save the entire database. So click on it. Now notice, under Documents, you have Database 1, the name that we had selected, and now down here you have Database 11. The later versions of Access have the tendency to add on an additional digit so that as you're saving, if you don't make changes here, you're making or creating backups of previous versions. Now in this case, I just simply want to leave it, and so click Database 1, click Save, click Yes to replace. Now File, Exit, and we're done.